Your home is your most valuable investment. But did you know that poor yard drainage could quietly cost you thousands of dollars in repairs? From cracked foundations to waterlogged basements, unchecked drainage issues don't just damage your home. They drain your wallet, too. Foundation repairs can cost tens of thousands. Mold remediation? That's another hefty expense, not to mention the cost of replacing ruined landscaping. But there's good news. It doesn't have to come to this. At Brooks Landscaping, we specialize in customized landscape drainage solutions that not only protect your home, but also enhance your outdoor space. French drains, dry creek beds, retaining walls, our team designs systems that solve your landscape drainage problems, prevent water damage, and keep your property in top shape. By tackling drainage issues early, you can save thousands in future repairs, increase your property value, and enjoy a yard that's both functional and beautiful. No more soggy lawns, no more stress, just peace of mind. Play it smart, protect your investment, and start saving today. Click the link below to get started. Now your perfect yard, it's just a click away.